heard this on an open mic when I was living in London, and this girl called Stephanie Fraser came in and she played this beautiful song, and she wrote it, and I just remembered every lyric, unlike what I do now, you know, to my own songs, but just her words were just so touching to me. I just couldn't get over it, so I play it now. But so check her out, Stephanie Fraser, really great singer-songwriter. Nothing in this world that love can bring you. That's why I've nothing on my wedding finger. You say I'm lonely cause I play guitar. Maybe that's the only thing I'm good for. And the heart is an empty house. You're moving in and I'm moving out. And you say that it's just not fair. You can't blame the weather on the clothes you wear. I've been turning over in my sleep. There's nobody here to blame but me. It's a sweet bird that sings a bitter song. It's the drinking of the bottle that gets me drunk. All the good things, it's a sweet bird that sings a bitter song. I've been on a run of bad luck lately. I know you'd say it's because I'm lazy. I've been falling through the door too much. Now I've been out of bed enough. Just because I'm a hurricane doesn't mean you have to be the pouring rain. And you tell me that it's just not fair. You can't blame the weather on the clothes you wear. I've been turning over in my sleep, and there's nobody here to blame but me. It's a sweet bird that sings a bitter song. It's the drinking of the bottle that gets me drunk. All the good things, sweet bird that sings a bitter song.